So we're shooting this video here for home inspectors. Home inspectors are killing it with our equipment and our training program. Many home inspectors are using the Leaktronics leak detection equipment. Whether you take our leak detection training or leak detection and inspection training, we live by our own words, whereas no swimming pool should be inspected without a proper leak detection. Again, you cannot be confirmed that there are no leaks, and therefore you're doing it half-assed if you're inspecting a pool and you're not performing a leak detection. Leak detections are easy to do. It's drop and drag. We make microphones that actually go in swimming pools. They go in pipes. The weight of the water pushing out on these leaks, when we get our microphones near them, we hear them all the time. We teach you a little bit about pressure testing, hearing leaks through concrete slabs, under soil, or wherever it may be. Whether there's a leak in a structural crack, whether it's in a plumbing, or whether it's in a jet, whether it's in a skimmer, no matter where that leak is, when you get these microphones near them, you'll hear them. The amount of money that you could earn doing leak detections blows away what you're getting for home inspections. Whether you're performing leak detections for other pool companies, for customers, or you're doing inspections on swimming pools with proper leak detections, the amount of money and the amount of earning potential is unbelievable. Learn about all of our equipment and our training options at Leaktronics.com or give us a call for more information.